Hi guys, this is the latest development update video, and I'm going to go over and show you some of the latest features that have been added. So to start off with, now there's a little notification display for various events that occur, and I'll just show you now. When you accept a mission, see this little notification display appear in front of me, and it gives you a little bit of information about and feedback about what you've just done and what you need to do. Some of the other new changes are we now have this spacesuit, which is a nice improvement over the last model that used to be in here. We also have fully modeled three-dimensional monitor displays now, which look a lot nicer than they used to. They have a nice level of specularity on them as well. They used to be two-dimensional. In the cockpit, we've now got this interior light above me with a nice little flare on it. And what else for cosmetic differences? I think that's pretty much it. So a lot of the other changes have been mostly UI related. One new feature is if you press F5, you can now display the frame rate, which is useful to see whether you're getting your frame rate is V-synced and what your actual frame rate is. Pressing F6, you can toggle these additional labels on, which just might help you identify exactly what each label actually is, or what each readout actually is. So toggle that one back off, and most of the other changes are in the UI itself. So we now have pilot data, where you can view what achievements you've achieved. You can use the up and down arrows or the D-pad on the controller to scroll through these. We also have statistics for your save file, and we have credits to see who made the game. Fairly self-explanatory. And what else do we have? Under settings now, there's a VR setup, so here you can set your IPD. This is saved between sessions, and you can also recalibrate if you need to. And under graphics, there's also another two new options here, which is dynamic shadows and light. So the default is medium for shadows, and the default lighting mode is vertex over pixel. You should see a fairly significant increase in frame rate, which is really critical for running virtual reality on the Oculus Rift. Ideally you want to get to 60 frames per second V-synced. If you have a really powerful machine, like an SLI or a Crossfire configuration, which is properly V-synced, I also recommend trying the 1920 by 1200 display resolution. You'll get a nice image quality improvement from the downscaling or downsampling from the pixels. I really highly recommend you try that, because it's really quite a profound difference in the level of quality. I believe that's pretty much it for all the new changes, and stay tuned for even more updates to come. Yeah, there are still a few new features that I want to add to the cockpit to tie all the things together nicely. Thanks for watching this video.